mejor amigo se llama Don Benjamín.
So today I'm gonna be working on this Ram 2500. I'm gonna be doing an oil change right here with this beautiful lady. Here's a filter wrench, filter, a tunnel, a wrench, something for the oil to fall in, and then this is going to be my oil choice. Very good. I recommend, highly recommend. Hard to get your hands on it nowadays, and expensive. But if you could afford it, I'd recommend this oil. Later in the video, I'll show what this is useful for. You don't need it, but I highly recommend you guys buy one of these. So to help drain the oil, take off this cap. That's gonna be your first step after warming up the truck. Once you get under the truck, this is going to be the bolt you're going to be loosening. And then make sure you got something to catch the oil in. Be careful because this oil should be hot. If you warmed up the truck, the oil is gonna be hot, so you gotta be careful. As soon as that's loose, oil is gonna start falling. So on the passenger side, you're gonna find the filter you need to take out. This cap right here is used so you can move around the filter without spilling any oil. So yeah, there you go. Once your new filter's on and you put the bolt back, use your funnel. You can place it right here and start pouring in your oil. So Ram takes around 3 gallons.